All right guys, let me show you why you do not want to do this at home. Dented the steel table, broke the ear off of the concrete, and obliterated the milk jugs. Well, here we are, Wizard of Staff build part 2 in the bag. We've got some good explosions, we've got a build. This thing is pretty deadly.
And here it is.
Welcome back. We gotta put the paint on, glue the blades in, some leather to put on the handle, and then we're gonna use it. Should be really cool, so stick around for that. I'm gonna use color shifting paint on it. I don't know if you guys have seen this before. I got it on Amazon, and it shifts colors. But before you do this, you gotta put on a flat black primer, and it makes it really pop. Flat black primer. I've also got some caiman hide for leather. We're going to use for the handle. Time to put the blades in, so go ahead and mix up your 2-part epoxy. You want to mix it for a couple minutes worth. Being 5-minute epoxy, we want to get it in as quickly as we can. Smooth it out a little bit. Now that that's tacky and not going to run out, I can flip it over and start on the next one.
Smells good.
We're going to start with a black primer, and then you put the top coat on within an hour, the primer on, and then you can put the color shift on within an hour. When you're spray painting, you don't want to get too much built up, because then it won't dry. The brighter it is outside, the better when you're spray painting.
Alright, get it.
That's about got it. And that'll be a perfect gateway for tomorrow when I can blow shit up. I'm gonna put on the color shift now, and it says to apply up to 3 thin coats, 3 minutes apart. So that's what I'm gonna try to do. And make sure you shake the can for about a minute straight. Shake often while you're painting. Now I gotta wait 3 minutes and then put on another thin coat. All right, second light coat. There's number 2. That should do it. Now we're going to take it in to dry. Tomorrow it'll be dry and we'll put on the leather handle. It's sparkly. This is after the paint job. Pretty cool. When you change angles, it changes colors.
Satisfying.
And these blades are very sharp. Now that we have the paint on it, we need to put the leather on, and I'll show you how to do that. First, I want to run a blow dryer over the staff to make sure that the paint is dry. I've went ahead and put the leather where I want it. I wrapped it around and taped it with electrical tape so I can have it hold its form better when I go to glue it down.
E6000.
All right, I went ahead and just hot glued this first edge all the way down, and that seemed to hold really well. Now I've got to put the E6000 on in between, and then I'm probably just gonna hot glue this edge down too. First, you want to use some 100 grit sandpaper and rough up your painted surface. I'm going to go ahead and put a generous amount all over the leather. Careful not to get too close to the edges or the glue will spew out. This stuff stinks. Now my hot glue gun should be hot and ready, so when I stretch this around, it'll hold that for about 20 seconds. I'm gonna have to make a cut right here or else it's gonna fold out on me. Just gonna cut a little wedge shape out of it. I do have a wrinkle right here, but I'm gonna have to fix that later. Oh, that's hot!
This leather working's pretty hard stuff.
Now that I've got everything pinned down where I like it, I'm gonna wrap rope around it to squeeze that glue in. All right, let's take the rope off from it. Well, let's see if this is gonna work. Yeah, okay. I think it's charged up.
Let's see how good it shreds. It will kill.